tackling 3 different research questions over the last few years and going forward. So our goals now are, firstly, we're trying to improve our understanding of how nerves communicate with each other. And this is important because what goes wrong in a number of diseases is at that point in nerve communication, and that's about epilepsy, schizophrenia, mood disorders, and in particular intellectual disabilities. So the way we're approaching that is to better understand the machinery inside nerve endings that allow neurotransmitters to be stored in nerve cells and to be released, and how the supply of those neurotransmitters is maintained is the basis of understanding what goes wrong in those diseases. So the second thing that we're doing is developing new technologies to tackle these diseases on a larger scale than previously possible. And that's mass spectrometry and proteomics. So the methods that we're building now in these areas are new, and what they will allow us to understand is which proteins in nerve terminals or nerve endings are changing in the disease, in various diseases, in various situations. And what that will do, and it's already doing, is allowing us to focus on the proteins that we should be paying the most attention to understand how they cause or how they're involved in the diseases and understand them in more detail. And as well, this same technology is allowing us to improve the existing anti-cancer drugs by understanding how they work and finding new ways to tackle the patients that don't respond to the current drugs. Okay, and finally, our third research aim is a drug discovery program. We've run this for many years with the team of Professor Adam McCluskey at the University of Newcastle. And together our 2 teams are designing new chemicals that we hope one day to turn into drugs. Specifically, the main focus is drugs that tackle epilepsy and drugs that will tackle kidney disease. And the reason is that a large number of kids and adults with epilepsies don't respond to any epilepsy drug at the moment, and we have candidates that we think is going to make an impact in that area. And secondly, with kidney disease, kids with kidney disease face a life of dialysis and they face transplants, sometimes multiple times. Well, we hope to develop the first drug to stop that. So I want to say thanks to all our supporters for their help now over the last few years, and particularly going forward to continue to support these activities from our group.